Please rise.
Shut up. Grace, my beautiful soon-to-be wife, I love you and I thank God every day for putting you in my life. When I look into your eyes, I see my future staring back at me. I see a lifetime of laughter and love, of shared dreams and aspirations, of challenges overcame and victory celebrated. I see a partnership built on trust, respect, and unwavering devotion. A love that grows stronger with each passing day. I promise to be the best husband I can possibly be. With you by my side, I know that anything is possible, and I am excited to embark on this journey together, hand in hand, heart to heart. I love you, Bug, and I will forever and always.
Daniel, my best friend, my rock, and now my husband. I'm so excited that I can finally say that. In the past 7 years, not only have I gained you, but I've gained an amazing family, and I couldn't be more grateful for them. Our love is unlike anything I've ever experienced in life, only read about in fairy tales as a child. As one of your favorites, Zach Bryan said, find someone who grows flowers in the darkest parts of you. But I found someone who didn't stop at flowers, but grew a whole garden for as long as my eyes could ever imagine seeing. Daniel, I promise I will forever grow a garden for you, even through the darkest of times. To care for you, to cherish you, to love you, just like we've said for years, forever and always.
Daniel, place the ring on Grace's finger and repeat after me. I give you my heart.
I give you my heart.
I promise from this day forward,
I promise from this day forward,
you shall not walk alone.
you shall not walk alone.
May my heart be your shelter,
May my heart be your shelter,
and my arms be your home.
and my arms be your home.
Now, Grace, put the ring on Daniel's finger and repeat after me. Daniel, I ask you to wear this ring today.
Daniel, I ask you to wear this ring today,
So that every day,
in every way,
you will be carrying a part of me
you'll be carrying a part of me
and my love with you.
and my love with you.
Daniel and Grace, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Daniel, you may kiss your bride.
You ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Daniel Cushman.
I don't think I could pick someone better for Daniel. I truly believe that you two were made for each other and God put you two in each other's lives for a reason. I can't wait to see you two grow and watch you both love each other. This is one of those moments I'm truly proud to call you my brother, and I'm so glad that I get to experience this with you. I couldn't be happier for you Grace, I hope you continue to love and cherish him as I have. Again, thank you for all being here.
You guys have so much adventure and life and love that you guys share for each other. And oh my God, I can't. You guys have so much ahead of you, and I am so happy to be here to witness it, as I'm sure all of us are. And I'm just so happy. Like, every word that I had has left my brain. I can just think about how beautiful and amazing their life together will be, with Grace ready to drop and kick anyone who even looks at her the wrong way. It'll be great.
It's obvious to me that you guys are deeply in love. And frankly, Daniel, it's the most important to this father to know that his daughter is being cared for with that kind of love and passion. I want to wish you all the happiness, love, and joy and prosperity in your future together. So Grace and Daniel, I hope you have the best life together. And I love you very, very much, both of you. Cheers.